Alright, so today I'm going to show you really quick how to make homemade vanilla. I've always heard about it and heard about how easy it was, but I never really believed it because it just seemed too easy to be true. But it actually really is that easy. So I'm going to show you how we do it. You're going to need a 8-ounce glass amber colored jar. I don't know if it really has to be amber color, but vodka. I was told that you can get just the cheapest vodka there is. So that's what I usually do. I don't know if it's any better if you use real expensive vodka or not. But we just buy the cheap stuff. And then there is some grade A vanilla beans that I got off of Amazon. And I'll add the link to the bottom of the video so you can order them from there. So you're going to have to go ahead and wash your amber jar and then stick your vanilla beans down inside the jar. I'm using a funnel because I don't necessarily have the best aim. And then just fill up your jar, your amber jar. Ooh. I filled it all the way up to like right there. And then put your lid on it. Shake it up a little bit, roll it around. I don't even know if you really have to do that. It just seems like you should have to do that. And then put it back in your cabinet for like 6 weeks. And then voila, you have homemade vanilla.